What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to unbox and review Japanese Shiny Treasure EX box. So there it is. There's a lot of pulls in here. It's not like English sets that is only like guaranteed one holo or two reverse holos and maybe once in a while EX. This one is full of hits. That's why it's a lot of fun opening box like that. Satisfying. This is $63 on Amazon, so it cost pretty much $66.30 per pack. So there's a code card. I don't think I could use those. They just say pop right here. It's like coupons, I guess. And code cards would be on a box. So this is the display pack would look like at the store. So I got a whole box. Let's rip through it and see what we get inside of them. So start with one of these. There's like at least two. Let's just see what it comes with, because each box comes with a lot of hits, and the Charizard is like $300 if I'm not mistaken. So as you can see, it's in Japanese. And let's go to it. So holo, boss's order holo, and then there's like a shiny holo over here, very cool. And EX is pretty much minimum hit as well. And then the rare candy, 1, 2, 3. Looks like we need to drop 3 cards. So each box have minimum of EX hit and this interesting holo, shiny holo, and 2 holos, just like that. So will we hit a Charizard, Mew? It is just like Podium Fates, except in Japanese version. So let's do like 3 from the back, because that's what it looked like. So we have the best one at the end. Okay, let's go. Some trainers. Okay, holo. Holo. Ooh, shiny. That's what we're chasing for. Those shinies are good hits, better than the EX. So, and there you go, EX. So one shiny, one of these interesting holos. I think the shinies are better. So the set is big on that. Shiny treasures. It's building up a set of Japanese cards. Yes. This is a lot of fun, lots of pulls. Okay, this is my second box opening them. There you go. Some energy items, trainers. Okay, what's behind there? 2 holos, shiny, and another EX so far. So those are not super awesome hits, but we will take it. It is still a lot of fun to hit EXs and stuff like every pack. Not used to it in English sets, like United States English sets. They are all over, like very rare. So this side here non-stop EXs. Okay, reverse. Ooh, nice card right here. Ooh, Pidgeotto in Japanese. Wow, that card is so awesome. Shiny Japanese cards are so awesome. Okay, and this holo, it goes into here. So we got a couple hits. That is a good hit right there, probably like $5 to $10. I don't know exact value of that card in Japanese set. They're very different compared to English. But I know that Mew is like $200 or close to $150, but the Charizard is like $300. Will we get a Charizard? Okay, and another EX. So that's a minimum hits, but it's full of hits. It's only 10 packs. Of how many cards? I think it's 10 cards, yeah. 10 packs of 10 cards, I think. Okay, let's keep going. Nice variety of different cards. Okay, nice, another shiny and the EX. Wow, we're building up a whole set over here so quickly. Will we hit something that is worth than $63? That's what I paid for. Let's find out. Okay, look at that variety. All type are different. Everything we need to build up a set. I love it. Ooh, gold one. Nice. There you go. Japanese gold one. We look up a value for this card. This box is nice, providing some gold and another EX. Look at that. There's no repeats. All of the cards are different, and we hit one gold. We have 2 more packs. Will we hit a Charizard? I think that gold one rarity is like what? I don't know. They have rarities a little bit different. I don't know if they have stars in Japanese sets. But people collect Japanese set. Look at that. We haven't gotten this one yet. Nice. Getting a little bit of everything. Okay. And the EX, another different one. Yeah. It's almost like too easy. 2 more packs. Too easy to build up this set. Because there's so many hits. It's awesome. Okay, take from the back. Let's go, okay. Now I see some repeats, but not that bad. There you go. Holla holla shiny. EX. Whole pile of them. Again, have not seen in shinies or hollows repeats yet. That's kind of cool. It is so satisfying to open Japanese packs. Because there's just so many hits, except Charizard. We haven't gotten that on Mew. Let me know in comments below if you want to see more of Japanese sets. Nice. And an EX. So let's look up the value of this gold card and this shiny. Those are the biggest hits right there. So this is a $10 card. I love Japanese cards. They're so much more, I don't know, better quality, much shinier than English sets. Wow, look at that quality. It's insane. It's like a perfection. Wow, no wonder people enjoy Japanese card. The reflection is insane. But yeah, this is about $8 to $10 card. This is $5 to $10 card. So $15 back. And obviously we have right here couple dollars in each. EX is probably like $2 each, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's $20 in there. 1, 2, 3, another 6. So the value, I would say we got back maybe $30 back. Didn't hit anything awesome, but it is a lot of fun opening this one and building up this set. All of the cards are different. And these EXs are very shiny, that's for sure. So the Japanese set is very different. You know what, this shiny right here is about $8 too. So the return is pretty good on this set. I think all those shinies in Japanese, they will be like $5. I mean, there's one for $3 in Japanese. So this one will be a little bit up, so maybe $40. This one is about $3 to $4 as well. Those shinies a little bit harder to hit, they're a little bit more rare. And the last one, let's see what this one is go for, $4 to $5 as well.